Hey guys, what's happening? Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning presentations using AI tools. So go ahead and open up your browser. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the official website of Prezi. Right? Prezi is a website that allows you to create presentations in minutes. So you're going to type lots of example, communication, right? Type your topic or niche, okay? And then click create with AI. Describe your presentation, right? We will talk about communication in reality, let's say, okay? And then hit generate. If you have more details, of course, you can do that on your own time, right? It says right here, if you want to access your presentation, just rotate your device. So I'm gonna rotate my device. Now it's gonna take minutes, right? A few minutes until I can see my presentation. Afterwards, you're going to be able to take a sneak peek to your presentations. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.